If you use rank instead of dense rank in a SQL interview, you might accidentally delete the very data your manager asked for. Most beginners think these functions do the same thing until a tie happens. Today I am simplifying the gap versus no gap logic so you can write the production ready code. I am Soumya and I am here to simplify the complex. We will be using this table to understand these three window functions. We have three employees with their sales data listed here. Employee Amit and Rahul have the same sales amount. That's why they got the first rank. Sonia is the second in this leaderboard. So let's continue with the first type that is known as row number. If we have to assign row numbers to these three employees on the basis of the sales made by them, it will be like 1, 2, and 3. Consider row number like a strict judge. It doesn't care about ties. It simply assigns the consecutive numbers of the sequence to all the employees, whether they have the same data or the different one. Someone gets the second place only because they comes first in this table. Now let's try to understand the next one, that is the rank window function. In the case of rank window functions, the ranking will be something like this. Because these two employees have the same data, they both of them are getting the rank 1. But because two employees have the same rank, it skips the rank 2 and assign the next consecutive number, that is 3, to the third employee Sonia. So it leaves a gap. Whereas in case of third type of window function, that is dense rank, it also assigns the same rank, that is 1, to first two employees because they have the same sales data, but it doesn't skip the rank 2. It assign the rank 2 to the next employee. So gaps are not allowed in this case. Now we can simply understand the difference between these three window functions. Let's quickly look this in action. We have our sales performance table. What happens when we run all these three functions in one query? Here we can see, as we have already discussed in the notepad, we did the comparative study for all three types of window functions. They are achieving the same objective in the query also. Here I am simply selecting these two columns. Again, we are using these three window functions, that is the row number, rank, and dense rank. So we can see in case of row number, because ties are not allowed, we got the sequence data in this output. Whereas in the case of rank, because Rahul and Amit have the same revenue data, so both have the same rank, that is 1, but rank 2 got skipped and Sonia got the rank 3 and then followed by 4. But in case of dense rank, we are also getting the same results as in case of rank for the ties, but for the next employee, rank is not skipped here. Gaps are not allowed. As the name suggests, the ranks are densed here. If we quickly summarize these three, in case of row numbers, ties are not allowed. For example, if we want to calculate the highest salary, we will be using the row number. But in case of rank, because gaps are allowed, use case of using the rank window function can be finding the duplicates, as we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Whereas in case of dense rank, because gaps are not allowed, so we can use this in finding the second highest salary. So that's all about the row number, rank, and dense rank window functions in SQL. If you missed my video on deleting duplicates, you should watch the next. We use these exact same functions to clean a messy databases.